Hello everyone, in this video I will review OnePay Debit Card. The OnePay Debit Card is a useful option for people who want an easy access to their money without dealing with a traditional bank. It works like a prepaid card, so you can load funds and spend only what you have. This makes it good for budgeting because there is no risk of overdraft fees. The card can be used anywhere that accepts MasterCard, both online and in stores. Many users like that it's quick to set up and does not require a credit check. The mobile app is straightforward, letting you check your balance and transactions anytime. It also supports instant transfer, which helps if you need money right away. For workers, some employers allow direct deposits straight onto the card. International use is possible, but fees may apply when withdrawing cash abroad. ATM withdrawals are easy, though sometimes the fees can feel a bit high. Customer service is decent, but some users report waiting longer during busy times. Security is reliable, with PIN protection and the option to freeze the card if lost. One drawback is that adding money through certain methods may have extra charges. Overall, it's more flexible than many prepaid cards, but less powerful than a full bank account. If you want a simple, safe, and convenient way to manage spending, OnePay is worth trying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.